Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Logitech G29 steering wheel, a quick and easy guide to get your wheel perfectly calibrated before hitting the track. Whether you're on PC or console, this reset ensures your wheel responds exactly as it should. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to power down the wheel completely. Turn off your G29 and unplug the USB cable from your PC or console. This step is crucial because it ensures the system starts fresh for the reset. Next, let's locate the buttons you'll need. On the left side of the wheel, find the left stick button, LSP, and on the right side, locate the right stick button, RSP. These two buttons are key to initiating the reset. Now for the fun part, starting the calibration. Press and hold both LSP and RSP at the same time, and while keeping them pressed, plug the USB cable back in. The wheel will recognize this as the reset command and start its calibration routine. You'll notice the wheel begin to move left and right on its own. This is completely normal. That's the wheel calibrating itself. Once the motion starts, you can release the buttons and let it finish. In just a few seconds, your G29 will be fully reset and ready for precision driving again. And that's it. A super quick and easy way to reset your Logitech G29 for perfect performance every time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gaming gear tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy racing!